You don't have clear idea about electrovalent or ionic compound, that is, what is electrovalent or ionic compound, you don't have idea. So watch this short, you have definitely clear idea about ionic compound or electrovalent compounds. Now what is ionic compound? Ionic compound means the compound formed between the two ions. One is positively charged ion, another is negatively charged ion. Positively charged ion is known as cation, negatively charged ion is known as anion. Now how they will form? If any element lose one electron, then cation will form. If any element accept one electron, then anion will form. Now the bond between cation and anion is known as ionic bond. Now my question is, what is ionic compound or what is electrovalent compound? The definition is, the compound will form as a result of transfer of electron from one atom and accepted by the another atom, then one bond formed between these two oppositely charged ion is called ionic or electrovalent compound. Done.